If you've been harassed at work, you should contact a lawyer immediately. There's no reason why anyone should have to suffer any type of harassment at work. I was an employee for many years. I understand how difficult it is, to be treated badly at work. I've had personal experiences as well. I think it's important that employees who are treated badly or feel like they're harassed to come to a lawyer as soon as possible to learn what their rights are. You don't have to suffer. You don't have to be treated badly. There are many things you can do. Some people who are harassed feel like things are hopeless, that they just have to do it because it's their job. Some people don't realize the legal rights they have to protect themselves. The laws were created to prevent people from being harassed. Okay, well, that's a good question. We're asked that a lot. It really depends on what the needs are. If you're an employee and you've lost your job, you can come to us and we can try to help you get it back. We can also help bring claims if you have any claims. But a good part is also when people come to us and they have a problem at work and they may not want to leave their job. So we might help them get better treatment at work. We can help them make sure that the company understands what the problems are.
Well, it depends on the kind of case and what the facts are. If it's a harassment case, for example, many factors would include, was there unwanted touching? Was there sabotaging of the employee in the workplace? What are the facts? Is it a sexual harassment case, racial harassment, age-related or disability-related harassment? Are there retaliation components involved? These are all the factors a lawyer will look at when deciding if a case is worth pursuing.
Well, the first thing I advise my clients to do is to preserve any evidence that they have. Make sure you don't delete emails and text messages, and you also have an obligation to keep that evidence. Keep a list of any witnesses that may help in your claims or in the defense of any claims, and cooperate with your attorney.
Obviously, if you're suing a company, that's a lawsuit's involved, that can take years. However, some people come to us and they want their severance package looked at, or they may want better treatment at work. Sometimes a letter that we send to a company can rectify the situation very quickly, even as little as days.
The types of cases that we have been seeing, in addition to sex harassment, disability discrimination, age discrimination cases, has been a wave of wage and hour cases, people alleging wage theft, people who have been paid by salary when they should be getting overtime, employees who aren't receiving minimum wage. So there's a whole trend out there right now where employees are recognizing that they have rights to overtime, they have rights to minimum wage, and people who are misclassified in terms of what their status is as exempt from the laws.
The Legal Referral Service of the New York City Bar Association provides an outstanding opportunity. First of all of the attorneys are screened. The only attorneys that appear on the panels are those that have gone through a rigorous application process and an interview process. In addition, the attorney that you'll be assigned to, you have the opportunity to at least meet with them for a half an hour at no more than $35 for the cost of that meeting. And you can determine whether or not that attorney is appropriate for your particular situation.